Welcome class, welcome to organic chemistry. Iupac nomenclature, this one we'll be having today. And Iupac simply means International Union of Pure and Applied Water. So that's the meaning of Iupac. Now under naming, I'm going to be taking every single organic compound. At the end of these series, there is no any organic compound in the world you can name. It's not possible. So let's start with first alkane. But before I go on that alkane, you know, organic chemistry is what? The study of carbon and hydrogen and other compounds. But under hydrocarbons, we have saturated hydrocarbons, we have unsaturated hydrocarbons. And under saturated hydrocarbons, we have alkane. And alkane is represented by what? Single bond. Right? That is all I want you to know under alkane. Because what I want to start is naming of alkane first. Then we proceed to double bond, triple bond, alkanes, esters, and the rest. But this is the start of the lecture series. Now, when you have a carbon named 1, 2, 3 to 10 under alkane, remember in alkane we have the keyword is A and E. So once you have one carbon is methane, 2 carbon atom is called what? Ethane. 3 is propane, 4 is butane, 5 pentane, 6 hexane. So 7 is called heptane. 8 is octane, 9 is nonane, 10 is decane. So this is how we name it. Remember, we are under what? Alkane. Naming of alkane. Now, before we name, there is something you need to know. Alkyl group. Now, this alkyl group is simple. They are alkane. They are alkane group that lost one hydrogen atom. So, if for example you have CH4, CH4 is methane. When it loses one hydrogen, it becomes CH3. So, once you lose one hydrogen, it becomes an alkyl group. And an alkyl group, when you want to name this under alkyl group, this is what? Methyl. So the methane, which is CH4, that lost one hydrogen to become CH3, you will now call it as methyl. So like for example right now, what if you have this? This is CH, C2, H5. This is called what? Ethyl. What if you have C3, H7? This one is called what? This is called what? This is propyl. And if you have, so if you have C4, H what? If you have C4, C4, this is H7. So if you have C4, so you know that this is 8, so this is 8 plus. So this is 10, so it's C4H9, good. So if you have C4H9, because this is CnH2n plus 2. So C4, this will give you 10 minus 1. So this will give you what? Butyl under what? Alkyl group. So this is the basic thing you should know under naming of alkane. So I'm going to start giving you the rules that are what? Involved. Example number 1, we have a compound. You can see we have this CH3, CH2, C2 like this. The first thing you have to do is number it. You have 1, 2, 3, and what? 4. And then the next thing you should do is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. When we start dealing with branch, you know where I'm numbering it this way. But for now, we don't have branch. So you can see that the longest continuous chain is what? 4. So, and we have a single bond. So this is what? Butane. Right? Good. So this is 1, 2, 3. So your answer is just simply what? Butane. Then under example number 2, you can see first we have to start counting. You write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The hack in this is you can see if I'm using this first number in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At number 2, I have 2. I have a branch here. At number 3, I have a branch. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5. But if I'm using this other one from here, at number 3, I have a branch. At number 4, I have a branch, and this will give me 7. The trick here is the branch, you have to give it the lowest number. So that means this is the number I'm going to use. Remember, under Alkane, we want the branch to have the lowest number. So that means I'm going to use what? This one. This is the numbering series I'm going to use. So here is at 2. At 2 you have methyl. At 3 you have chloro, the halogens. Oh, this is chloro, right? Another trick is before we name this, we have to name it alphabetical order. So C comes before M. So this is 3 slash chloro. Let me write it very well. 3 chloro, right? Then you have 2 methyl, and the longest continuous chain is what? Pentane. So this is 2 chloro. This is what? 2 chloro what? This is 3 chloro, 2 methyl. So this is the name for the compound. And please, between this name, always don't forget to put dash between the names after the number. So put dash between it. So that is the name of that compound above. So let's come to example number 3 here. In example number 3, if you have this compound, look at the compound, it's looking at us here. We have this compound. So the very first thing we're going to do is what? Find the longest continuous chain. So if you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the longest continuous what? Chain. So this is how I'm going to name it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So already, we already have what? Heptane. But there is a trick here. At 3, I have a methyl group. At 3, I have a methyl group. At 4, I have an what? An ethyl group. Right? Let me write it very well. An ethyl group. So this is over already. So alphabetical order, E comes before M. So the name of this compound is 4. You now slash dash 4 ethyl. 4 ethyl dash 3 dash 4 ethyl 3 methyl, and the longest continuous chain is what? 7. So it's 4 ethyl 3 methyl heptane. So that's the longest continuous word. That's the longest continuous, and that is the name. Remember, you can see how I'm writing it: 4 ethyl 3 methyl word pentane. Are you with me? Good. So under this, you can see the first thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Good. Now, when I'm using this numbering series, at branch I have 2, at branch 3 plus 3, this is what? 5. If I'm using this numbering series, at 3 we have a branch, at 4 we have a what? Branch. So this is 7. So automatically this will not work because the plan is to give the branch the lowest number, right? So I'm going to use this one, right? Good. So you can see at 3 we have methyl. We also have methyl at 2 again, and at 3, right? So the solution to this is very easy. Very, very easy. So what I wanted to write, so this should be 2, 2, 3. So it means at 2 I have 2, 2, and then at 3 I have 3, right? So this is 2, 2, 3. Then remember, immediately you reach here, slash, tri, methyl, and the longest is what? Pentane. So this is 2, 2, 3 trimethyl what? Pentane. Are you with me? But if I, for example, let me say I clean this one, so your answer will be what? If I clean this one, answer will be what? 2, 2 slash what? Dimethyl what? Pentane. Are you with me? If I clean this branch here, so you get 2, 2 dimethyl what? Pentane. So in this example, we have a beautiful thing. The first thing is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? 6, right? So you can see if I follow from here, the branch here is 5, so it won't work. Here, our branch have the lowest number, which is 2, so it's going to work. So we have up to 6, so this is what? Hexane, right? This is hexane. But at 2, we have a methyl group. So the answer to this is it's so easy. So what's the answer? What's the answer on your own? So here, let me make this thing more interesting. Let me clean this. No, I wanted to clean at 2, 2 slash what? Dimethyl, and the longest is what? Hexane. Dimethyl what? Hexane, right? Good. Are you with me? Good. Now example number 6. Example number 6. In this example number 6, you have to be very attentive at it. So when you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not the longest continuous chain. So we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this is the longest continuous chain. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 9. Right? Good. That's the longest continuous chain. So that is what? Noname. Right? But we have an interesting thing here. At 3, we have a methyl group. Yes. But at 4, what are you going to call this? This is a branch inside another branch. So basically what we will do here is, I have to number this as 1, 2, 3. Right? Good. Now, pay attentive and see how I'm going to name this. So this is at 3, we have, this is 3 slash methyl, right? But at 4, then this is 4. So this is 4. I'm gonna give there's a problem with this board small. So this is 4, right? Slash. Now I'm gonna have to open bracket. This is 4, yes. But this 4 contains 1, 2, 3. So this is propyl. But at propyl, we have another branch which is methyl. And propyl and methyl, which one comes before? Methyl, M comes before P. So what I'm going to do here is -1 slash, right? I'm going to write 1 slash methyl, propyl, and then you have to close bracket, noname. I will explain it again. Once we count here, at a branch we have 3 methyl. But here we can't name it as ethyl or propyl. Yes, here is propyl. At 4 we have propyl. But the same propyl have another branch chain again, which is what? Methyl. So that is what I wrote here. At 4 we have propyl, but the propyl have one methyl. So that's why I named it 4 in brackets 1 methyl propyl nonane. So that is all for alkane. Thank you very much.